Have you been searching for a gift idea for your bridesmaid that will make her react like this?
Wow, everything is so customized.
Then this is the perfect video for you. If you're new here, hi, my name is Torera and you're welcome to DIY Dose. I share DIY ideas and affordable living ideas. You're going to love this channel, so you should subscribe right now. In this video, I share how I made this beautiful keepsake box full of personalized gifts and goodies, and I also made this notebook. They would absolutely love it. I have linked where I bought all the items down below, and if you're in a country where shipping is usually a problem, I have created alternatives as well. So check the description box below for the links, and now let's get into the video. I started off by mixing some acrylic paint in color fuchsia and white to create this beautiful pastel pink, which I then used to paint the inside of the box. The outside of the box I painted in brilliant white, and remember guys to paint with the grain of the box, especially if you're using a wooden box. Then I took this vinyl sticker, I kind of used the card over it just so that it could peel off easily. I put it where I wanted it on the box and then used the card again to scrape over it so that it could stick properly to the box. And there it is, the box is done. Let me show you guys what I put in the box. This beautiful custom mirror, this cosmetic purse, the coaster, a candle, pens, and this beautiful rosé bottle which I made by myself. So here's how I made it. I mixed some baking soda with some water and soaked the bottle in it for a few hours just so that the label could peel off easily. And when it peeled off, I simply took a sticker, stuck it right in the center and tied a bow on top. That is how you make a custom rosé. This is so beautiful. I loved it. It was so cute. Now on to these notepads, which were my favorite in the box. I used my favorite application, Canva, to create a collage. Just printed it on regular printer paper, and then I started to stick it onto the notepad. So these were the items that I used. I used a spray adhesive because it worked better for me. You can use any type of glue that you have. And then I just stuck it to the back first, making sure there were no creases or bumps. I flipped to the inner back cover of the book and stuck the rest of the paper onto it. If you don't know how to cover a book with paper, there's so many tutorials online on how to do this. You can check them out for a more detailed video. But this is exactly how I did it, making sure that there were no creases and no bumps, and you can just follow the video to see how I did mine. To make everything neat and tidy, I used the first page of the back cover to cover everything up. This just makes everything neat and it looks like something that you bought in a store. And you repeat the same for the other side. You see that flap that we cut out? Just dab some glue on and tuck it in. I did two different designs for the books. For the first one, I used this pretty pink paper as a border for the alphabet label, and I thought it was so beautiful that I got to do two different designs. So if you're considering this for your bridesmaid, definitely switch it up, maybe based on the style or the kind of thing that your bridesmaids like. So just do different things, switch them up, and I think they would absolutely love it. Aren't they so cute? Now it's time to assemble. I printed some paper as well and stuck it to the front part of the box. And yes, I just put some tissue paper and I just started assembling all the items, putting them in a way that I thought was the most visually appealing. And that is it, guys. That is how to create a bridesmaid box DIY Dose style. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe right now. You can also follow me on Instagram to catch up on what's happening in my life if that's what you're interested in. Love you guys and thank you so much for watching this video to the end.